We are going to be protecting this extremely rare M-Spec Skyline GTR with only 366 ever being produced. Okay, so next to me is an R34 Nissan Skyline GTR. And what this car is getting is our front end paint protection film package. With our front end paint protection film package, what the car will be getting is the bonnet, the side wings and the bumper. So let's jump into applying the film on this Skyline GTR. Unfortunately, we didn't have a cut on our system for this GTR. We had to bulk it instead. With paint protection film, we can provide 10 plus years of protection. If this does interest you, then head down to the description and get in touch with us today. Okay, a quick update on this Skyline GTR. The bonnet has now been complete. As you can see, we're showing off this gorgeous engine bay. The side wings and the wing mirror on the passenger side have both been complete, along with the A-pillar. We have started the bumper, it's about 60% complete, but now what we're going to do is we're going to move on to the driver's side of the car. It's a very difficult bumper to apply paint protection film to, so there is the update. So let's continue on with the driver's side of this gorgeous Skyline GTR. Now the driver's side is complete and so is the car. Let's take it out of the studio and show you this Skyline GTR. So that is it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, then please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And until the next video, goodbye.